Types of Bhakti. Prem Lakshana Bhakti is devotion to God offered with profound love and full understanding of His glory. It results in fulfillment, peace, happiness, accomplishment of sadhana, and overcoming fear of death. It is developed by following niyamas and fully associating with Satpurush. Intense love towards God means to have same attachment for Him as one does for one's body and its relations, and to constantly remember Him. Shravana Bhakti, listening to divine glory, incidents and discourses of God and His sadhu, is Shravana Bhakti. Sincerely listening to spiritual discourses helps one to overcome swabhavas, understand the glory of God and His sadhu, engage in spiritual sadhanas, improve in all aspects of life, and become Brahmaroop. Without Shravana Bhakti, deficiencies remain in Jiva. The highest spiritual state is not attained. One becomes lethargic. Ill feeling towards other will arise. Focus on satsang is lost. Regarding spiritual discourses, understand their necessity, listen with concentration. After listening, engage in manan. Sincerely endeavor to imbibe the teachings in one's life. Third, Kirtan Bhakti. Kirtana Bhakti is to sing bhajans about God and Satpurushas. This includes chanting of mantras. Kirtana Bhakti results in peace, inner purity, and tranquility. Smarana Bhakti is to remember God by chanting His name, recalling His divine incidents, remembering His divine virtues, meditating on His form, and continuously endeavoring to think about Him. Seva Bhakti is to serve God and Satpurushas and their devotees. Through seva, Swabhavas, since they are eradicated, the Jeev is empowered, attachment to God increases, and moksha is attained. Perform seva while remembering the God, selflessly realizing one's great fortune for the opportunity with dedication and sincerity, while observing niyams without allowing one's swabhav to interfere, and with the aim of pleasing God only.